Hey y'all, it's your girl K-Day Motor Slay, and to all my slayers, thank you again for joining the channel. I have a video for you today that's just pretty much a scenery video. So sit back and enjoy, and I'm going to give you 5 tips on what I think a biker needs while riding. With no further ado, here we go.
Hey, somebody come and look at this. Come and look at this.
Number 1, helmet. Now guys, it's important to have a good helmet because this protects your brain, and this is the most important thing on your body. You want to make sure you protect your brain. So when shopping for a helmet, you want to get a DOT approved helmet, which means it is approved by the Department of Transportation. When shopping for a helmet, make sure you just choose the right helmet, and when trying one on, make sure it fits snug. Just make sure it doesn't shake up and down. It doesn't move from side to side, that it just really fits snug on your head. Helmets can range from about $200 to $1,000, so do your research so you can pick the best one for you. 2, you want to have a good pair of gloves. Now gloves are perfect because you don't want to be riding around and you possibly fall and get in an accident and scar up your hands and break your bones. So you need a good pair of motorcycle gloves. Now this is for protection, safety, comfort, style, and without a pair of gloves, your hands will become dry and callous, and how can you slay like that? You can't do that. So get a good pair of gloves, and these gloves come in many styles, brands, varieties, and they could range from a good pair of maybe $20 to up to $500. So again, do your research and get a good pair of riding gloves. Number 3, you want to have a good jacket. Purchasing good body armor for riding is essential. A good jacket could be of high quality and durable. Some reasons to have a motorcycle jacket, you may ask. Well, protection, comfort, style, fashion off the bike, and the feeling. Now that might be surprising, but when you look good, you do feel good. And a jacket does complete the look. You can get a leather jacket and a mesh jacket, or mesh and leather to textile. It's various styles, brands to choose from. So a good jacket may cost maybe $100 up to $2,000, y'all, for real. Those jackets can get expensive, but at least you're in style, right? So get out there, ride in style, and get you a good jacket. Number 4. Now I know when you think of motorcycle boots, you may think of something that's seems heavy, overrated, and expensive, but nowadays they do make motorcycle shoes, and those are the ones that I have. I have a pair of Alpine Stars, and they're very cute, and they're not heavy at all. They're very comfortable. So as you can see, you can get a pair of motorcycle boots or shoes that's fashionable. Either way, you want to get a pair. They protect your feet from, the pipe exhaust when they become hot, extreme cold and weather conditions, road debris, and it's just pretty much for safety. You want to protect your ankles just in case you get in a motorcycle accident or you fall. Your ankles may twist suddenly. There you go, broken ankle. You don't want that, y'all. You can't slay like that. So get you a good pair of motorcycle shoes or boots. And as of the rest of the motorcycle gear, there are a variety of styles and brands to choose from. So just make sure you invest in a good pair. Number 5, a good pair of motorcycle pants. Having a good pair of motorcycle pants will complete the look. This is used for protection, safety, comfort, and durability. It protects you from the wind, rain, cold, and heat. So the difference between a good motorcycle pants and jeans, you may ask, is that they're made from a different texture. Motorcycle pants have a stronger knitting, and they have spaces that you can put knee pads and hip pads, so that's extra protection. So get you a good pair, invest in them. They come in many different brands and styles, and get out there and complete that look, y'all. Go ahead and slay. Alright y'all, it's your girl K-Day Motor Slay. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you are interested in some of the gear that I mentioned, I have dropped some links in the description box below. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell so you are informed next time I upload another video. It's your girl K-Day Motor Slay. Continue to slay all day, every day, y'all. Peace.
Hey, somebody come and look at this. Come and look